guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. So my name is Marissa.
My name is Myra.
And today we have exactly 1 month from our first video that we uploaded. So we want to give you guys the thanks for all our likes, comments, shares, and our 50 subscribers. So we want to give you guys a big thanks. And then for today's video, we will just have an easy chicken fajitas.
Okay, so the ingredients for today's recipe will be 2 pounds of sliced chicken breast. I already have it washed and ready to go. 3 bell peppers, whatever color you prefer. Make it look beautiful and colorful. I have red, orange, and green today. I have 1 garlic clove, 1 whole onion cut as well julienne styles. I have garlic powder, cornstarch, paprika, seasoning salt, and black pepper.
So we're gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. You could just go ahead and put a little bit or as much as you like for your flavoring. Then we're gonna go ahead and put garlic powder. Don't put too much because sometimes the garlic powder and the seasoning salt, which we are gonna put next, is a little too salty. So just a little bit of that. And then we'll go ahead and put paprika. So this one you could honestly put as much as you like because it's just for the coloring. It's not spicy and it's not salty. And then lastly, we are going to add some cornstarch, which this one just makes it get a caramelized color when you're grilling it. So we'll go ahead and add some. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients in with our chicken. And then, I mean, if you're not in a rush to make your food, you could just leave it in the refrigerator with all the seasonings for like 2-3 hours until you're ready to cook. If not, you could just do it 5 minutes before and you're still good.
Okay, so I have the chicken right here. I have the pan already preheated with oil in there. Not too much, you know, like maybe like 3 teaspoons of oil. And we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and cook it until it gets like well, I like it to a golden color. Okay, so right now we're gonna go ahead and move it around. It's been about 3 minutes. Just move it around so it could cook from all the sides, cook thoroughly. You see how the pretty color it's getting? So we're just gonna go ahead and cook it for another 5 minutes and just move it around so you won't burn your chicken. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes cooking our chicken. It looks good. You can leave it if you want it a little bit more crispy, but once you go like this and it cuts easily and you don't see no pink, that means it's good. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is put the heat to low, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and put it in another plate. So now that I removed the chicken, in the same pan that we used for the chicken, we're gonna go ahead and use the same oil that stayed on there because that actually has a really good flavor of the chicken, so it could incorporate with our veggies, so your veggies could have a good flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic. If you like more garlic, you could go ahead and add a second one, but I'm just gonna use 1. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add our bell peppers. If you like, at this time, you could put a little bit of more black pepper and a little bit of salt, but I don't think you'll need the salt with the seasonings that we put on our chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and cook the bell peppers for about like 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is put in the onion and we'll mix it and give it another 3 minutes. So I went ahead and put a little bit of black pepper just so my vegetables could look beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken back into the pan. And we're gonna go ahead and mix it all in there. Once I have it all mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it for about 3 minutes just for the rest of the bell peppers could get nice and soft. If you like them crunchy, that's up to you. but this is almost done and it smells delicious. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. Our fajitas look really good and they're ready to go. It's really easy, you guys. Once you have everything cut up, cooking time it's about 15 minutes. So if you don't have that much time to make anything else, this is really easy, fast and easy and simple. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. It's ready and I'm gonna show you how to serve it.
Today we served our fajitas in flour tortillas. We have a little salsa here. We have lemon, and we just put the chicken inside tortillas. You could eat it like this, or you could just eat the fajitas by itself, or you could even just have fajitas and like Mexican rice or beans if you wish. So this is our final result.
And if you add sour cream and cheddar cheese, it tastes bomb. But today we're keeping it like that.
We're keeping it on the healthier side today. So that's it for today's video. So go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, we're very thankful for all the 50 subscribers that we got in 1 month.
Thank you very much and hope to see you guys soon on the next video
Let's Cook That.